the atmosphere of Raleigh is what makes Raleigh great.
The people. I mean, I've been running my business for 13 years here, and I just have the most incredible customers, and the people are so friendly here.
The diversity here. Restaurants, culture.
Oh my gosh, the potential and opportunity to grow as a young professional or moving. If you're moving from here, or if you're from here, it's a great place to start a career.
Raleigh's awesome. Like, it's a good combination of people. Like, you got, I'm a Southern boy, you know, as far as growing up here, and then it's diverse.
I think probably the proximity to both the beach and the mountains. It's just a great place to be.
They're great people, great engagement, great places to eat, and little nooks to fit in like Jabala or all the many different places where we can go and just kind of nuzzle in.
People are so friendly and good place to live.